the challenges that we were facing as an organization, like many others, was the issue of first-year turnover. And we wanted to focus on decreasing that by making sure that we were hiring the right people. We know Healthcare Source, we trust their products. I had seen the features of the program and it was a very easy decision. So we went with what we know works, which is staff assessments with Healthcare Source. The product is very easy to use. We were able to make some minor customizations with some of the questions that we wanted to ask our clinical applicants. So the implementation process was very short, very easy, and an enjoyable process. And I don't think you can say that very often when you're talking about implementing technical systems. As far as looking at an application and someone's experience, the interviews become even more essential because we have a short period of time to figure out who you really are, if you like what you do, and if you're going to take good care of our patients. And you have to have behavioral assessments like Healthcare Source provides in order to measure that. And this is a way that we can do it consistently and with best practices. The benefits that we've enjoyed from implementing staff assessment into our selection process has included retention. Our first-year turnover has decreased from 24.7% to 20%, which puts us at about a 70th percentile benchmark within our region. We've also seen greater consistency across the organization on how we hire, and everyone is asked the same questions according to their job family. And we've also benefited from the development report for our current employees and being able to have a structured program that allows us to provide training and development for our top performers that are really the ones that are having the greatest impact on our patient experience. Fit has almost become more important than just the skill set. So the staff assessment has really allowed us to make sure that we're hiring people that are compassionate, that appreciate diversity, that can take hold of change and look at process improvements. Those are the things that hospitals should be looking for in candidates more than can they do the physical pieces of the job. So the assessment has allowed us to focus more on the fit rather than the skill. If others asked me about Healthcare Source and I found out they weren't using it, I would say, what is wrong with you? I don't think there are other competitors that compare to the product or the customer service that's provided. There isn't anybody else that meets the standards from what I've experienced now with Healthcare Source.